Hello everyone. In today's video, I would like to show you an exciting tip on how you can combine data across different sheets into one single summary page. In this example, I have just received data for 2024 for 12 months and I have them across different tabs. But I want to be able to consolidate all this data in one single page or tab so I can run my analysis. For the solution that I'm proposing today to work, you need to have all of the data in each of the sheets converted to a table. Now, there are 12 tables here, and I don't intend to go into one sheet at a time to convert it into a table. So I have written a VBA code, and I'll be bringing that up. And this VBA code is a very simple code that's going to help me convert all the data across the whole workbook into tables. It's a very simple, easy to use code. If you'd like to follow along in this tutorial and you want to practice with this VBA code, just comment automation in the comment section, and I will send you this VBA code for free. So once I copy this code, I'll go to the developer tab, navigate to Visual Basic, go to insert, and I want to insert a module. So I'm just going to paste the VBA code in here, and I'm just going to click on play or run. And once this is done, you can see in the background, all of my data sets are now converted to tables. Very neat VBA code. And for the next step, I want to use Power Query to combine all of the data in this workbook into one single data sheet. So I'm going to navigate to data, go to get data, and from all the sources, I want a blank query. And once I click that, Power Query is going to open. In the formula tab, I will be typing a very simple formula. And sometimes if you're opening Power Query for the first time, if you don't see the formula bar, you go to view and ensure that the formula bar is toggled on. So now I'll go back to home and I'll type in this formula equals Excel. And I already have suggestions from the IntelliSense. This is the function that I want to use, current workbook. I'm going to double click it. And I'm just going to open, close parentheses, and hit enter. So we can see here that all of the tables that I have in my workbook are listed here. I'm just going to do a very simple workaround here, and I'm going to uncheck use original column name as prefix. And once I hit OK, we have all of our data combined. You can see here we have January and here we have February. So I'm just going to close and load this. And now I have all my data across the workbook in this single sheet. And you can see Power Query created a new column that has the name of each of the tables. So this way I know that this data is coming from, for example, this row I know is coming from the April table. And just like that, I can quickly run my analysis. If you find this content useful, share with others, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.